My name is Jatin. Today I will teach you how to make it a candle. Please take colorful papers, gum and scissor. Now we are going to start it. Take it red first. Make it straight line. Part it from the center. Stuck it from the center. Take your gum. Turn it into a cylinder shape. Press it for a few moments. Here you will get it a cylinder shape. Now take it yellow color. Fold it from the center. Cut it equal strips. It should be little bit broad. Here we cutted it. Now apply gum on the one of the corner. Stick it from corner to corner. Little bit center. Stuck it properly. Hold it for a few minutes. Check if a ring passes on. Yes, it is passing on. Apply gum on that. Just pass it like a ring. Wait for a few minutes. Here we stuck. Now I am going to take it red strip again and cutting it at the downside. Small strips. It should be equal. Here my strips is done. Now I'm going to stuck it again. Stuck it well. Here frills should be pressed little bit, all the directions. Now check here, it should be passing it inside. Yes, it is passing inside. Now use it little bit gum at the downside. All four directions. Pass it on to the circle. Press it little bit slowly. Here your candle is ready. Now I am going to prepare a handle by using a strip. I am going to take it any other colorful strip, like I am going to take it violet. Now I am going to make a strip. Sticking from the inside, so applying gum. Press it little bit more. Here your lamp is ready. Even also if you want to shut down, you can shut down like this. You can hang it on your walls for the decoration of Diwali decorations.